Yes, it's a good, nice to see good aspirants joining SSB and making use of it. What I can tell you, see, young aspirants, what I can tell you, please try to make most of the tips, whatever is being given to you at a mass. Whatever Colonel Mohinder is all the time working so hard to meet everybody, try to grab each and every tip. Put in hard work. If you know that, you see, they have categorized you in different categories. You must have participated in debates in your life earlier. So confidence is very, very important. Communication skills, your knowledge. Without knowledge, if you know that, okay, I'm like, I request others to please switch off the mic if possible. Otherwise, there's some disturbance. Yes. Thank you. Yes. So, see, this is what matters actually. While joining army, and a lot of you are, you're aspiring high. That is very nice. We need people like you in army. And I joined in '96. I did pre-medical in 2003. And as Colonel Mohinder told a brief, presently I'm working as a psychological counselor for past 12 years now. That was an area of my interest. First of all, let me come to the point that SSB is the next step for you. Some of you must have been to SSB earlier, some of you must be new, but you all are graduates. You all know that, yes, now what I should be knowing about SSB. You must have seen in Google, everything is available in YouTube nowadays. What I can give you is please work upon yourself. Reading about the articles and the interviews and all will be fine, but you have to work upon yourself. That yes, now I need to, stand your soft skills. If your soft skills are not good, you are, very impulsive in talking. Your body language is very loud. You have to work upon that. You have to be very graceful. You have to say, you have to learn to thank people. You have to be on time, be punctual. You have to be, you have to shake hands well. I have prepared some slides, but it is not possible for me to show you today. So first of all, the way you stand, the way you conduct yourself during those 5 days, as you know, so after the screening, if you are through screening, you are in there for 5 days. And another step is medical. If you are again through the merit, you will be in the medical for again 3 to 4 to 5 days, depending on the rush in the MH or whatever. So this is the thing that during these days you are under constant supervision. You should know the moment I get up in the morning, I go to the washroom, I conduct myself outside in front of the public. How am I dealing in the dining hall area while walking in the squads? How are you performing? Are you landing into the gossips? Are you trying to make yourself very much famous? That yes, I know everything. I have been here earlier. You are trying to show off. Please don't do all that. That looks very, I cannot say very funny, but that doesn't look very good. But be yourself. Even if you are new, you can make it. Even if you are a couple of times old, it is not sure that you will be able to make it if you have not worked upon your weaknesses or why you were, not selected earlier. So you have to be, as I told you, you have to have a warm smile on your face. You have to be very particular that yes, I know about my knowledge. When the things are being asked, like I saw in the debate, you were quite disciplined. You have to be disciplined like this. The moment ma'am was asking you, please wrap up and all these things, and you were, within your limits. You were not overshooting the orders given to you. This is what you have to inculcate in your daily habits. सबसे पहले what I can tell you, you have to be honest. What is honesty? That even if nobody is watching you, nobody is supervising you, you are working honestly. If you see a piece of paper falling on a ground and you walk by, nobody is watching you, nobody is checking you. But that is what you have to know that yes, this is not good. If I am one of them, if I am, you should be a face in the crowd. That yes, that piece of paper is not good. I should pick it up and throw it. So this way, you should be more disciplined by yourself. You should be honest in putting across a good image about yourself. That yes, I have done my work. Yes, I have not done my work. You should be like one of the contestants who are not aware of the topic. Yes, you should say, sir, I don't know. I'm sorry. You should be having that. It's not that I don't know. There are a lot of things are there in psychology about false ego and not apologizing or not confessing. So this is not going to help you. If you are at fault, admit it. And that will help you actually. So we all commit fault. I also commit fault. So you have to admit, yes, I am not being honest. I'm sorry. I forgot. I couldn't. I was not there. Whatever the reason, I will not repeat it next time. That image should not be bad about you. There's work on your image. Have patience. Patience to spend these days in SSB. The patience will give you good results that will show on your face. that if you are waiting, you are feeling hungry, but you are still carrying on the classes or in the discussions and all. You are not enjoying it, but it's being shown on your face. So soft skills, as I told you, you should have your anger management, stress management. These things will help you. Work upon these. If you are free, if you are available, you have facilities available with you. But know these things. How I should be able to make time management. The stress management. It should not show on my face. Even if somebody is irritating you all the time, you are in the group and you are discussing something. Somebody is trying to bully you indirectly. You can make out the vibes. You can make out amongst girls or boys or whatever. So sorry, you can make out, but show that smile, warm smile on your face that yes, nothing is affecting me. I'm here to stay. I'm here to crack SSB. I'm not here because of you bullying me or you challenging me, but I'm here to prove myself. That should be the approach. With this in mind, if you keep repeating this in mind, why did you go to SSB? You should ask yourself the question, who sent you? Your parents sent you or you came on your own? You do not want to prove to the world that you are something, you are going to be something. You are class apart, you are a cut apart. So that is the level of army officers. You are going to be an olive green. You should justify that uniform you're going to wear in future. So if you are very casual, your hair are hanging here and there, you are not shaven properly, you are like you are wearing nail colors and all the way you are wearing these makeups and all. These are not going to help you in interviews, my dear children. Not children exactly, my dear young aspirants, but your conduct, your knowledge, your gracefulness, your approach is going to help you. We all do a lot of makeup and all when we go to the parties and all. But the SSB center is not meant for all these things. You should know where to dress up what. So be very clear in your mind. If I'm going to be judged as a candidate, I should be formally dressed. I should be properly dressed. It should not be very costly, but it should be well ironed. It should be well buttoned. You should be looking good. That okay, neat and clean. It can be little faded or whatever, but I'm sure you will use the best of your dresses there in the during the SSB period. These things matter. So the way, because this will give you confidence. If you are walking through us, you have prepared your dresses properly. Now you are in the after besides prepare. I'm sure you are preparing for your studies and all very hard. But have you prepared for your dresses, your shoes, your sandals? Have you polished them? They should be shining. You must be working on your face and all. But what about your shoes? So work upon these things also. You should be well groomed. The way somebody looks at you, you enter the room. You should knock the room before entering. If you're not given the permission to sit, please don't sit. The presiding officer over there who's going to interview you, who's going to ask you, wait for your turn. He may make you stand for 5 minutes or maybe 5 seconds. That is his prerogative. But you are no one to just pull the chair and sit. No, that is not manners. You have to know the manners and etiquettes. Besides that, sitting in the dining hall, not speaking loudly, conducting yourself well, this is a competitive world. So you know that okay, if you are not so well groomed, you are coming from a very raw background. You are not been doing all this. Some people are coming from army background, some people are coming from civil background. But I was also from a civil background. That doesn't make that army people are all well groomed 100% and civil background are always zero. No, it is how you carry yourself. So you take that away from you that RB people are given the preference. No, it is not like this. I have been to SSB myself. I know. So you have to be proving yourself. Don't keep this bias. Don't be biased with this with your mind. But yes, I am not your. I am yes. This is you have to be.
Solo,
It is a
prizes. First is
and
Dia,
yes,
second Shivangi, and
yes. So, coming to the sensitivity, let me tell you one thing. If you are running a race and if you are doing some obstacles, if you see somebody has fallen down, you are busy climbing rope and all, because all this you will be doing there, then you should be. I think it is not bad to show some sensitivity to other people who have fallen down. Give them a helping hand. That is how sensitive you are to the others. As a leader, as an officer, tomorrow you become an officer. If you only think about yourself, I should win the race, then I think your subordinates will be affected. Your units where you command later, you will be a section, a platoon, a company commander or a battalion commander. Your men will be affected. So you should be sensitive towards others, how they are, lagging behind. They have fractured their foot. Some of the people fracture their foot while jumping. Also, I have seen. But don't be oversensitive. If somebody tries to pull you down, don't be oversensitive. Don't give up. don't start crying there in front of them. No, I am very sensitive, especially to girls. I know girls are very strong, but still they are very sensitive at heart because naturally their body and the mind makeup is such. But let me tell you all, friends, be very strong. Put across a sensitive but as a good sensitive, personality of yours. That yes, you are humble, you are sensitive. At the same time, you are firm. That firm, that affirmity, you should know. Yes, you should be firm. That yes, and this is correct. No, this is not correct. I will not support the wrong thing, even if the majority is there. That should be you. Should be a person of metals and carry a smile. As I told you, you should be always be looking warm. Somebody should be coming forward to you to meet you. One important thing I should tell you: presence of mind. Can you please, I cannot ask you right now because you're not sitting in front of me. That presence of mind, they will ask you SRT, situation reaction tests, and all this happens. How will you handle this? Happens. How will you handle? So that is the presence of mind. Tomorrow, if you are going to a battlefield and these things you have not read in a book, in a précis during your courses, how are you going to handle? So these things you should have. The presence of mind is being checked in the SSB. How positive you are, what your psychology says, and how you are able to handle these situations. So that is very important for an officer, a would-be officer in you, that you should have a good way of deciding things, pros and cons and everything. That the self mastery, the self control. Even if somebody is challenging you, they are throwing things at you. In the battlefield, as you know, in the Galwan battle and other places. So you should be able to keep that poise. You should be sensitive and keep that maturity level. Even if you are a 20-year-old or a 30-year-old, you should have that maturity inside you to handle situations, because the way you are conducting your men, your fellows are watching you. If you say no, just kill them without thinking, so for a second time, they all will start following you blindly. So sometimes you have to know how deep the situations are. So have the presence of mind, have self mastery and self control over your emotions. So that's all from my side right now. So Colonel Mohinder, if it's is it or should I say something?
Thank you very much, ma'am.